have had. I bought this. This is one of the first things I bought when I started with the camper. And it's still on the same battery. And I use it all the time. It's a staple thing in the van right now. And I love it. It's so easy. It gives enough light for me to do the stuff I need without being overwhelming and make you feel like you can't sleep. And I parked up for the night. And well, it's 24 degrees up there and 16 degrees down there, and it's about, you can't see it, but it's about 9 degrees outside, so it's good. And I parked up next to your car. I'll show you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. I've been awake for 2 hours. It's so cold. Oh, I can't see it over there. Oh, it's 6 degrees outside, about 9-10 degrees inside here. The sun is over there, so if I'm gonna stay here again, I have to park over there, I think, so I get the sun in the morning to heat up the car. I'll show you outside when I just get dressed. Good morning. Let's get out of here. So I think I need to park up there the next time because, yeah, it's a little bit chilly. And we have some garbage we need to pick up from someone else that's been here. So I've been listening to this. This is no wonder I've been sleeping like a baby. So I parked in here so people could drive around. There's a little bird in the bushy. So this is just the road that turns around and goes back out. It's nothing big. It looks like people have used this as a dumping ground. Why can't people just go and deliver it? It's usually free. But yeah, I think if I park up here, I will get sun on the car in the morning. So I might do that next time. And I see here, I could also, maybe not. It goes up and the road keeps going in there. So I might try to get up there. But I don't think I want to bother with that. Not for just... I could also, it seems like I could also drive and park in here. The ground seemed to be solid enough for it. So if I just drive over the little bushes and park, since my car is higher in the back than the front, if I park it with the tires there and the front in there, I think that's gonna be perfect. Then I'm gonna have the morning sun. Or I can just park on the side here and have it in the side window. Yeah, nice. This is just finding little places like this. I just went into Google Maps and I searched the area I was going to go in. I see there are some other places, so I might check that out. But yeah, this is actually a really lovely park up for a night or more. Yeah, I don't think I come back here and park up here again. I need to get some plastic or something on this edge, because I don't know how many times I've been like trying to reach something in the front and then just my head just scraping on this edge. Oh, it's like I forget it every time. I need to put maybe some plastic or something over here so I don't keep doing that. Of course I could round the edges, but yeah,